There is something deeply fascinating about the way human minds become fixated on certain people. You have probably experienced it yourself. That one person who lives rent-free in your head, someone you cannot stop thinking about no matter how hard you try. But what actually causes this? Is it magic, chemistry, or something far more calculated? The truth is, obsession is rooted in psychology, and understanding the mechanics behind it gives you a powerful advantage in how you connect with others. When someone becomes obsessed with you, it is rarely because of your looks alone or your status. It is because of how you make them feel, how you occupy their mental space, and how you trigger specific psychological responses that keep pulling them back. The brain is wired to chase what feels incomplete, what feels rare, and what feels emotionally significant. By understanding these patterns, you can intentionally create connections that feel magnetic, deep, and almost impossible to walk away from. One of the most powerful psychological tools behind obsession is intermittent reinforcement. This is the same principle that makes slot machines so addictive. When rewards are given unpredictably, the brain releases dopamine in anticipation, not just in response to the reward itself. In human relationships, this translates to being consistently warm, but occasionally unpredictable. You do not want to be cold or cruel. That is manipulation in its worst form. Instead, you want to create a natural rhythm where your attention feels earned rather than guaranteed. When someone cannot fully predict your reactions or your availability, their brain begins to work overtime trying to figure you out. That mental effort creates emotional investment. The more someone thinks about you, the more significant you become in their mind. This is not about playing games. It is about understanding that constant, predictable availability actually reduces your perceived value in someone's subconscious mind. Most people go through life feeling fundamentally misunderstood. They talk, but nobody truly listens. They share, but nobody truly sees them. This is where you gain an extraordinary edge. When you practice deep, intentional listening, making someone feel like they are the most important person in the room, you create an emotional experience they will chase for the rest of their life. Ask questions that go beyond the surface. Remember small details they mentioned weeks ago and bring them up naturally. Mirror their emotional energy without mimicking them. When someone feels genuinely seen and heard by you, their brain associates that feeling of emotional safety and significance with your presence. Over time, they begin to crave that feeling, and since you are the source of it, they begin to crave you. Deep listening is not passive. It is one of the most active and powerful things you can do to make someone emotionally dependent on your company. Mystery is one of the oldest psychological triggers in human attraction. The brain is a pattern recognition machine, and when it encounters something it cannot fully decode, it becomes obsessed with solving the puzzle. You do not need to be secretive or dishonest to be mysterious. You simply need to reveal yourself gradually. Share your thoughts and stories in layers. Let people discover new dimensions of your personality over time, rather than presenting everything up front. Alongside mystery, emotional tension plays a critical role. Tension is not conflict. It is the electric feeling of something unresolved, something building. You create this by holding eye contact a moment longer than expected, by pausing before you respond, by showing genuine passion and depth in your conversations. These small moments of intensity leave emotional imprints that are hard to forget. People replay these interactions in their minds long after they happen, and that mental replay is the beginning of obsession. Scarcity is one of the most well-documented principles in both economics and psychology. People want what they believe is rare or difficult to obtain. When you carry yourself with genuine confidence and maintain a full, purposeful life outside of any single relationship, you naturally become scarce. You are not always available. You have passions, goals, and priorities that demand your time and energy. This is not a performance. It is a lifestyle. When someone senses that your attention is genuinely valuable because it is not freely given to everyone, they begin to place enormous worth on the moments they do have with you. Combined with authentic self-worth, This creates an almost irresistible pull. People are drawn to those who do not need their validation, because it signals strength, security, and depth of character. The final and perhaps most lasting psychological strategy is creating what can be called an emotional anchor. This is a shared experience, a private joke, a meaningful conversation, or a moment of genuine vulnerability that becomes uniquely yours with that person. Emotional anchors work because the brain ties memories to emotions, and when something reminds that person of the anchor, a song, a place, a phrase, they immediately think of you. You become embedded in their emotional landscape. The key to creating these anchors is authenticity. Forced or manufactured moments rarely stick. But when you are fully present, emotionally open, and genuinely engaged, these moments happen naturally. And once they do, you are no longer just a person in someone's life. You become a feeling they carry with them everywhere they go, making it nearly impossible to let you go.